Hello, welcome back, and on today's video I'm going to be telling you the 8 tablets that you should be expecting in 2025. If you're a lover of tablets, I want you to stay tuned, and I'm going to be telling you with the price. So this is going to help you, like if you want to upgrade your tablet or you want to start using tablets. So in this video you are going to learn everything about the new tablets that are going to be hitting the market this year, 2025. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which tablet you'll be getting this year, 2025. So the first tablet we are going to talk about is the Apple iPad Pro M5. So this is going to be released around August, July this year, and is expected to have the M5 chipset, and is going to retain the 11 inches and 13 inches OLED display. So there will not be a major improvement from the one that you already know, the M4 iPad Pro. So this is going to be released around August or September this year, and the price is likely going to start from $999 for the 11 inches, while the 13 inches is going to be at the rate of $1,299. And the second device that you are going to be seeing this year is the iPad Air. So possibly it's going to be coming along with that of iPad Pro, and it's going to also be the M5 iPad Air, and they are still going to be the same size, which is the 11 inches and the 13 inches respectively. So the only upgrade you are going to get from this iPad Air is going to be the internal upgrade, and that is just your little, and the price is going to be within $599 to $799. So the third tablet that we are going to be seeing this year is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A10 series. So, and this tab is going to come in 3 different models. So you are going to have the Tab S11, Tab S11 Plus, and the last one, which is the Tab X11 Ultra. And they are going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and with AMOLED display, and it's going to be 12.4 inches and 14.6 inches for the Plus and the Ultra model, and it's going to be enhanced with AI for multitasking features, and the price is going to start within $799 and $999, with the Ultra model potentially exceeding $1,200. So the fourth tablet we are also going to be expecting is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A10 series. So it's going to be a budget tablet, and the price range is going to start from $300 to $400. So it's going to be a mid-range tablet, and the chipset that this is going to be carrying is going to be the Exynos or the MediaTek chipset. So it's a mid-range tablet that you can also get this year. So watch out for it, and possibly it's going to be coming out around July, August of 2025. So the fifth tablet that is going to be coming out this year is the OnePlus Pad 3, and they are going to be releasing at the second quarter of this year. So rumor have it that is going to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite with 13 inches OLED display, and it's going to have 10,000 milliamp hours of battery, and it's going to be enhanced with gaming experiences. So according to report, the price is going to start from $310 for the base model, and another tablet that we are also going to be expecting, which being the sixth one, Huawei MatePad Pro and Air. So according to rumors that we are having, is going to be coming around fourth quarter of this year, and the price is going to be between $500 to $700 when it's being released. So let us watch out for that, and we are going to make a review about that device. So the next tablet that is going to be coming out this year is the Honor MagicPad 2. According to rumor, is going to have the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is most of the chipsets that all the tablets are using now. And we also heard that it's going to have a very premium and higher refresh rate, according to rumors that we are getting. And the price is going to range from $600 to $800. So it's still a nice device for you to get. Now, another rumor that we are getting, another tablet that we should be looking out for in 2025 is the Vivo Pad 3. So it's going to be released maybe the third or fourth quarter of 2025, and rumor have it that it's going to come, the chipset is going to be MediaTek Dimension chipset. So it's going to have a very sleek design and it's going to focus on multimedia. Much details about this tablet is not yet out, but the price is likely going to start from $400 to $600. So it's now for you to make your choice and see the one that you are going to go for, or that is your own choice. See you in my next video. Peace out.